Hi dear friends, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare tiramisu crepes. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. To prepare the chocolate crepes, I'm going to use 250 grams of flour, to which I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 20 grams of cocoa powder. And first I'm going to sweep this together, and now I'm going to add 5 eggs at room temperature. I'll try to incorporate them in the flour. Now I'm going to start adding from the milk. I have here 250 milliliters of milk. I'm going to add a little bit at a time, so I won't have any lumps at the end. Now I can add all the milk because the dough is runny already. I'm going to add here 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 50 grams of melted butter, and 250 milliliters of sparkling mineral water. Now I'm going to let the butter rest for about 10 to 20 minutes. To prepare the crepes, I'm going to use an electric maker, but you can use a frying pan, of course. I'm going to put some of the butter here. Now I'm going to dip the crepe maker in here. That's it. And I'm going to wait for the crepes to be done. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go for another one. I have finished the crepes, and while they are going to cool down to reach room temperature, I'm going to prepare the cream. For the cream, in the bowl of the mixer, I added 300 milliliters of whipping cream, and I'm going to use also 300 grams of mascarpone cheese. On the top of the whipping cream, I'm going to add the mascarpone cheese and 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. That's about 60 grams of icing sugar. And in here I'm going to add a little bit of brandy extract and vanilla beans extract, and I'm going to mix this. Now I'm going to wait for the crepes to reach room temperature. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare 300 milliliters of sweetened coffee. Now it's time to assemble the crepes. And for that, of course, you're going to need some Savoyardi biscuits. or lady fingers, and the amount needed is 1 per crepe. I have here around 32 or 33 crepes, but because my crepe maker is small in size, if you're using a bigger frying pan, you might get around 20 or 22 or 3 crepes. So keep in mind, that's the amount of Savoiardi biscuits you'll need. To assemble the crepes, I'm going to add the mascarpone cream and spread it. Pick a biscuit, dip it in the coffee, place it on the crepe, and then fold and roll. And I'm going to proceed like this until I finish all the crepes. I have finished rolling my tiramisu crepes. I have here tip: if you tend to add too much cream inside, you should always keep handy an extra 100 or 200 milliliters of whipping cream and 100 to 200 grams of mascarpone cheese. I place them on the top of each other, giving between each layer a dusting of cocoa powder. Here I cut some so you can see how they look inside. After an hour in the fridge, they are ready to be enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Bye!